Good morning, dear students. So, in the last 3 classes, we were discussing invitations, formal and informal. Hope all of you are clear about the invitation. Now, there's another thing. There's another part of your composition, but that is report writing, which is very important because it gives you 10 marks. It's a long composition, but still many people I find that are not aware of the proper format. Actually, a report is something we write about. There are two types of report you can see. One for in a school magazine. There is when a school magazine means any function or any program you are asked to report. You have to just, for example, any annual function, any historical tour, you are asked to report about it. You have to write in that. You have to write first of all, just write the topic. You can write heading in the top, your title, and you can write the next one by XYZ. Okay, so it's very important to write the heading, your title, and this who wrote it. You'll get 1 mark for it. It's for there. The report may be in 1 or 2 paragraphs. Don't write in one big paragraph. Cut it into 2-3 paragraphs so that those who are invigilating and those who are reading it feel it comfortable to understand things written. Then it may be some event, incident or action from the persons concerned, the parties involved or the victim and authorities. Somewhere if it is in a newspaper, there may be any incident or accident which you have to report. The third person point of view ensures object. So you have to write as a third person. You should not write I am the name, the owner. I did something like that. You should not write. You should write in the form of third person. So two types of I already told you. Report for a school magazine. The format comes like this. And when it is for a magazine, you have to write title like this and the next line you can write by XYZ staff reporter Times of India. Okay, when you're writing for a magazine, you have to write like this. Heading, title can each just below that by the person who is writing it, and then from the next line you can write the date and place. And date and place लिख के उधर से ही आपको continue करना है, ठीक है? First of all, you can write place, then date, and you can continue. This is for when the report is to be for a newspaper, staff reporter like आएगा, and when it is for a newspaper, you don't need to write staff reporter. You can just write the name of the person who is reporting the question itself. The name will be provided. Okay, that's the main thing. And you have to main thing you have to follow is that the date and place of occurrence should come properly. Where, when, how, why. This all questions should be answered. Okay. Then main thing you have to note is that the more important thing is that the main information. आप जब ये report start करके don't go outside the topic. Main किसके बारे में बता रहे हो first 2-3 lines में ही बताना चाहिए. That is the main information is given in the first 2 or 3 sentences. Other essential information like date, place, occasion, etc. will follow. What happened mainly you write in the first 2 lines. Then the date, how it happened, where it happened, like that. If it is an accident, how, when, and how many people were injured, and what are things should be followed by it. Okay. So today I am going to give you a report to be for a school magazine. So the question goes like this. History Society of KV. KV means Kendriya Vidyalaya, Krishnanagar, New Delhi, sent a group of students to visit a place of historical interest, historical importance and interest. You, any name you can see, you can give Aarti, yeah, Akshay. Were its leader, you were its leader. Write a report in 180 to 200 words for the school magazine on the tour. Describing the place, इसमें क्या होना चाहिए? You have to give the place, description of the place, its history, how you reach there, its conveyance, किस तरह कैसे you reach there, and all that you have learned. So first of all, you can write the heading. Visit to the Taj या Taj Mahal. Visit to the Taj Mahal. Okay. By Akshay. Okay. न्यू दिल्ली, आज का डेट क्या है? 23 अक्टूबर 2020. You can write the date, and from the same line you can start. A group of students of Kendriya Vidyalaya, New Delhi. A group of students of Kendriya Vidyalaya, New Delhi went to visit the Taj Mahal on. So when you're giving a date 23, please make sure that date comes before that. Okay. If it is 23, write from 20 October. Don't write a date after this. Okay. So 20 October this year. The group consisted of 60 boys and 70 girls. 60 boys, 70 girls, and 15 staff, and 15 teachers, that was adjusted in 4 luxury buses. That was adjusted in 4 luxury buses. All were entrusted responsibility to accompany the group with all basic amenities being provided to them. The team left the school premise at 6 a.m. and reached the Taj at around 10:30 a.m. wading through a crowded road. Through a crowded road. It is a mesmerizing beauty. But Shantar, who also have gone to Taj, can know how beautiful it is. It is a mesmerizing beauty of the historical building, which has been attracting the people from across the world. It is a mesmerizing, in fact, sorry, मैं बीच में 2 वर्ड भूल गया. In fact, it is a mesmerizing beauty of the historical building, which has been attracting the people from across the world. We enjoyed there visited the widespread open precincts, PRECINCTS. Precincts means जो चार दीवारों के अंदर का जगह, तो four walls के अंदर की जगह precincts, and also adjoining extensions, साथ वाला कितना भी दूर दूर का जगह सब हम enjoy किया, and the adjoining extensions which are having a tail मतलब stories, पूंछ वाला नहीं है, tail not TAIL, tail, stories of historical relevance. आपको शायद कुछ लोगों को, जो लोग ने गया उधर, गाइड ने बताया होगा या हिस्ट्री में आपने पढ़ा होगा, ताजमहल was built by शाहजहां in memory of his beloved wife मुमताज महल. इसके पीछे कुछ तरह कहानी वगैरह है. तो it's all when you visit there, the guide will explain to you, या आप लोग अपने हिस्ट्री बुक्स वगैरह में पढ़ सकते हैं. The Taj Mahal was built by a Mughal emperor. Taj Mahal was built by a Mughal emperor Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. They had 7 children. Three years after he became the Mughal emperor, she died in 1632. Shah Jahan began the project of building a mausoleum. Mausoleum मतलब एक शानदार building. Spelling MAUSOLEUM. Mausoleum. That is the Taj Mahal. The next paragraph. By visiting this beauty or this historical place, anything you can write. Students got clues of the marvelous arts. Full stop. They also learned as to how security system, surveillance मतलब कैमरा, CCTV कैमरा, surveillance works. Surveillance का spelling SURVEILLANCE. Surveillance works. And how a big building and a wide open space is kept sanitized and maintained in a neat and tidy manner. Keeping it as a hygienic place. All students and the staff enjoyed the trip very much. They reached back at their place at 10:30 p.m. with a lot of memorable moments in their minds. So that's the report. This is how we have to write a report in a school magazine. When it is a report for a newspaper, we'll discuss in the next class. So this report you have to write it in your composition and show it to me the same day itself. Now your school celebrated science day, or science fair, organized a science fair. Write a report on it in your composition copy. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.